Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
बड़ा वाला, छोटा वाला बाद में, बड़ा वाला पहले. ठीक है, स्टार्ट कर लो.
Hello everyone, can you hear me guys? Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so this is gold. Gold is flying, guys. Yesterday I'm waiting for this sort of manipulation, but it doesn't give me that manipulation. So I miss this whole rally on gold. But for now, I'm waiting for some retracement, and then I will wait for some setup to form, and I will look for buy again. That's my plan. And for Euro USD, same thing. It was very bullish. So if it retraces to this level, it will be very good level for me for long position on EU. And for Nasdaq, uh, I'm looking for this level to be taken out downside, but let's see. If it gets one more drop, then it will be very nice for me. Otherwise, I will look for buy after I see some breakout structure upside for Nasdaq and S&P 500. And what are you guys looking right now? Any bias for gold or for Euro USD? And for me, actually, ZU would be very good level for me, I would say. So we got some divergence with EU and GU. So if it goes further, then this equal highs will be the next target. So if I see some kind of setup over here, especially when I'm trading on forex pair like EU and GU, most of the time I do like kind of a swing trading. So I don't want to uh, take any entry in smaller time frame uh, in mostly in forex pairs. So I would love to hold. If I took a buy over here, my stop will be somewhere here, and I will look for somehow like this. This would be a very good setup for me. But I need to see some confirmation over here, because now right now I can see a lots of divergence with EU and GU. So if EU got some retracement, then definitely this EU could be more downside. So I need to be very careful about that. But I'm very sure if DXY continues going downside, so for example, this is a very good level. So according to this market structure break, it can go for some sort of retracement to this fair value gap. And if it respect this fair value gap, and I can see some breakout structure in lower time frame, then it will be very good level for me. And for DXY, this equal lows would be a very easy target. So in that case, I will love to trade on EU, like it can get some sort of retracement over here, over this level. We have breaker over here, and this is a fair value gap of weekly time frame. So this must be respected if it wants to goes up. And for CU, it can get some more downside, but over here, this would be a very good level for buys on GU as well. So that's my plan. For gold, I don't have any interest right now, because uh, I need to see some sort of retracement, but I don't know. It can go further higher from this level. And next level would be 7450 level. This is a very logical number and whole number as well. So 4750 would be the next level if it goes higher. And then 4770 would be another level, very interesting level. And at least goal is very possible to getting up to 5,000 level as soon as possible. I hope in this some months, 2-3 months. So let's see if I see some kind of retracement, it would be very good for me. At least I need to see to retrace to this order block. Then I would love to take some long trades on gold. Okay, chat. Anybody trading on Forex pair on EU and GU? Anyone? Please let me know on the chat. By any chance, the gap will be filled in gold and silver? Yes, for sure, it will be filled, but I don't know when. But this gap must be filled. So yesterday also, I'm waiting for this drop, and it can fill this gap somehow, and respected this previous high, and we can say this is a bullish breaker. So I'm expecting this kind of a drop in gold, but it doesn't give me that level, and I almost missed this rally, and this rally is almost 80% is done in Asian session, so I missed this one. Is alligator indicator useful in forex? Bro, I doesn't know anything about indicator, like alligator. What kind of indicator is that? Okay, in 15 minutes, I'm looking for buy on GBP USD. This would be in higher time frame, 1 hour time frame entry. So let's see. I was trading in EU. Okay, for EU is very bullish right now. Yeah, for some reason it can go higher from this level, and I hope it can drop very soon, at least to these levels. It would be a very nice opportunity for entering again. But let's see. Currently, I'm looking this level, this 1 hour order block on gold to get some entry for me. Still waiting for some sort of rejection. One gold. Yep. Let's see. Let's see. Nice push up. Nice push up. Nice one. And on this 15-minute time frame, this small 15-minute fair value gap, if it close upside, then it will be uh, good for long. So let's see. I will wait for candle closing. So this equal highs is very likely to take a now for GBP US. A very easy trade. Like, yeah, I can be wrong. I may be wrong, but this kind of trade, this is I'm waiting for. Like, especially in EU and GU, I can hold for 2 3 days, even more, and I can relax myself. I will set my TP and stop loss. Then that's it. But when I'm trading on gold or Nasdaq, I don't want to hold that much. So I will trade in lower time frame, like 15 or 5-minute time frame, especially for me. One of the reason is like in forex pair, there will be lots of spread and all, and lots of manipulation happening because of the different charts and different datas. Right now, I'm looking on the, for example, for gold. This is on that chart. Data is from Wanda. But when you are looking in forex, this one, you can't see the gap over here. So it's a different story. So if you are smart enough, you can uh, take some confirmation from different charts if you are smart enough. That's why I'm using different charts when I'm especially trading in CFD. BTC, let's see BTC. Everyone is looking for BTC. So this is weekly time frame. This is a fair value gap. So exactly it filled this gap until around 70%, and again it dropped. So I'm bullish on Bitcoin as well for longer term in higher time frame, but right now I can see some kind of manipulation downside first and then goes up like this. So let's see. Let's see, hoping for best. But I'm not a crypto trader. I do trade sometimes, but it will be in higher time frame than most of the time. For crypto, I do investing only, but I'm not comfortable trading with crypto, especially for me. But sometimes I do trade, but for now, I'm not interested to take any trade on crypto. Okay, gold is going downside for 1 hour time frame. I want to see retracement at least to this order block, or it can fill some gap over here and push higher for gold. Okay, see this guys. This is 15-minute time frame, and you can see this fair value gap over here. It was respecting very nicely, rejected from this fair value gap. So, and again, this candle till now we don't see any weak downside. So it can be go one more time and push up. That is very possible. But in this kind of scenario, I don't want to place any trade currently. I will wait for some confirmation. Okay, meanwhile, where are you guys from? Please drop your cities on the chat. Why are you guys looking this live stream? And very grateful to this team, Tradin TV team, for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts and all. So at least I can help some of you, those who are really interested in trading. So trading is all about uh, person as like it's not about technical or fundamental. That is also important, but technical and fundamental it's secondary in trading. You need to be a very disciplined person in your day-to-day life if you want to become a profitable trader, because at the end of the day you can learn different types of strategies like SMC, ICT, support resistance, in using indicator, using software. This all of these are very similar. You can learn everything from anyone, but at the end of the day, the most important part is that your psychology or your decision making capability. So you need to be a very good decision making as an individual if you want to become a profitable trader, because there will be lots of pressure going on when you are trading. Like uh, you need to handle smoothly if you have any pressure. So otherwise it will be very difficult. Like when you miss the trade, you will feel like FOMO, fear of missing out, and then you will enter another trade, losing again, and you want to do revenge trading again. You will do another again, it will be losing again, and then finally you will blow your account. So it's all about maintaining your discipline and taking a right decision. Newcastle, UK. I have been there. I have been there twice, uh, in Newcastle and Southampton in 2021 and 2022 when I was working in a cruise ship as a merchant navy. I'm selling on, I forgot, Queen Mary 2 ship. That is a very good vessel. Okay, I want to see one more drop and then I will see for my confirmation setup on ZU for gold. Okay, that's my level right now. So let me check. Silver is respecting this fair value gap. For silver, this $100 level, this will be a very good level for silver. I hope it will be reaching in some days or some weeks, this $100 level for silver. And for gold, 4,800 and 4,750 would be the next level if it goes higher. From Mumbai, okay. Which market don't make panic fast move like Euro USD? It will be like you can go with GBP USD. If you are a really beginner trader, I will not recommend any new beginner traders trading in Nasdaq or gold because it's a very fast market. So as a beginner trader, if you are really beginner trader, my advice would be you can start trading with Euro USD and GBP USD. It will be good for you to gain experience. And if you gain experience for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, then you can change your asset to gold and Nasdaq. Can I buy on gold now? It's according to you, brother. If you see your setup, then go for it. If not, wait for your setup. Still, I'm waiting for my setup. It touched to my level, but I don't see my setup forming right now on gold. That's why I'm waiting. Should both gold and silver give some retracement almost to fill the gap and then it hits your target? I hope so, brother. That will be a very good setup for me if it does so. What impact will Trump talk tomorrow have the market? Yes, it will be a very uh, good impact in market. So if I'm trading tomorrow, then I will wait for that news. And after that, I will trade. Before, I will be not interested trading in those type of situation in the market. Let's see. I hope DXY, this level will be very good one. If it does so, I will check this level on 4 hour time frame. It's good. Okay. And guys, till now, how many how many accounts do you have blown till now? For me, it's more than 25 funded account. Which indicator is that this one? This is a simple indicator. This is for me. Uh, this is kind of a Asian session indicator. Let's see, it can drop some more. Then I will look for buy on gold. But I need to see my setup to be formed before that. I'm already 1,100 pips up on gold, holding till. Nice one, brother. Nice one. Is SMC entry all about market structure shift? Yep, maybe. But for me, I my confirmation will be break of structure or market structure shift plus with higher time frame bias, like weekly and daily time frame. That will be the key level for me if I want to buy or sell. I would love to trade with the bias, with higher time frame bias. Do you look at 1 minute candles for entry too? Yes, I do sometimes, but only in gold and Nasdaq. But when I'm trading on, let's say, in forex pair like EU and GU, then my smallest time frame is 15 minutes. How much drop are you expecting on Bitcoin? I don't know the exact number, but I'm hoping it will drop until 89, 88, this level. This would be a very good level. But the main part is that, let's say, for example, it dropped to this level, and when I see it, the price dropping to this level, then suddenly I will take for buy setup. It it doesn't work like that. After it does this level, then I will wait for my setup to be formed, like a break of structure or something like that, for more confirmation. Same here. Same here on gold. It touched my level, but I don't want to took any trade right now because I don't see any good setup forming right over here. Okay. Nice push on GU. This was a very good push. Okay. Nice one. Nice one. DXY, you can look this level downside. This level. Nice one. Mhm. Gold and silver is giving me a very confusing divergence. It was dropping on silver, but I will not force myself to took any trade till now because I'm already in one position in GBP USD. Okay. Yeah, brother, right. That's right. Okay, okay. It's a huge volatility right now coming in. What is this volume? This volume is from I-30. I don't like this kind of price action, bro, especially for me. I just want to target these levels right over here for gold. This is on 1 minute time frame. Okay, silver is getting some push upside. In a 1 minute candle, it was moving 30, 40 pips. Amazing. Just in 1 minute candle. No one will be trading this price action. Yeah, that's why we don't force yourself, brother. I'm not forcing myself. If I see my setup, then I'll go for it. In this kind of price action, I don't want to force myself. Like let's say I'm doing live right now. So as a namesake, I don't want to take any trade until I am very comfortable with my setup. Otherwise, I will not take any trade. Okay, nice one. Ooh, it's a huge move on forex. EU is moving around 140 pips today. So this would be my area. This one, and lots of trend line liquidities over here. It was rejecting very nicely on G. Lots of manipulation. In this kind of price action, I don't want to force myself to take any trades. Just see the spike on forex. This is not normal. This is not normal. See, guys. Fuck. What about mass trade? Let me check. Okay. I hope Nash 100 will go further down and do like this. It would be a very good setup. But let's see. If I'm trading on indices like Nasdaq and S&P 500, I will trade only after 9:30 opening. Please open UPI Pay for Indians. Yeah, it will be easy to pay. Yes, I hope so because I'm Indian as well. It will be easy for me as well. So I'm hoping they are given that opportunities for Indians. It will be very nice. See this candle, guys. And currently, if you are trading any asset, is very, very careful because lots of happening nowadays. So uh, we can't control the market. So please very careful about that. Just risk with accordingly. Don't risk too much that you can't afford. So I just want to took a trade somewhere from here. Example somehow like this, but this kind of price action, I'm not comfortable trading with that. That's why I'm not taking any position right now. Guys, can you hear me? Somebody is saying it's muted. I'm not muted. And guys, uh, are you starting trading from 2025 or 2024? How long you have been trading for? Please drop on the chat. Bro, it's manipulating like shit. I had short on the base of my strategy. Okay, that's fine. It's up to you. It's up to you, brother. But you are sorting on gold or any forex pair. Started few months ago. Okay, keep working, brother. Keep learning. Gain some experience with the market. Train your eyes each and every day. It's not easy, bro. It's not easy to be a profitable trader consistently. We need some experience, at least 1 to 2 year minimum it will take. Sorted goal. Okay. 2022. This is a breaker. If it goes down to this level, then this from here to here would be a very good scalping level. Was observing since long, never heard of from and recently started trading. Okay. So guys, what kind of strategy are you using currently? Are you using support resistance, smart money concept, or using any indicator? Anything? And the most confusing part is that uh, any kind of strategy will work. Any kind of strategy are you learning or you seen in this internet, it will work, but it will work for some time only. So you need to be very careful about that, and you need to work on, you need to polish your strategy as much as possible. So don't try to jump from strategies to another strategies. It will be very difficult if you are trying that kind of jumping from another to another. So stick with one strategy. And if you are really beginner, I will recommend you only trade in one asset. It will be good for you. Support and resistance, SMC, simple price action with fair value gap in focus, yes. And don't be very complicated with different types of strategies or something very uncomfortable. So try to be very simple. Use a very simple one. It will work for you, but try to polish it by time. How you backtest and where? Especially for me, I do backtest only in trading view with replay mode sometimes. But I heard there are many right now. There are many apps, applications, and website that you can do back testing very well. So I don't have any idea about that, but you can look for it. Right now, it's available, but I'm not using. I'm using only trading view for backtesting. My strategy, if Asia and London will continue and make a stable trend, opposite trend, trade entry or on high sweep or ITM. Yes, nice one. So that's it, guys. You need to know your plan. Like if you are, I would say one thing as a trader, let me type. Know this one. You need to have your own trading plan. If you are failing to plan, you are planning to fail. You need to have your own plan, like when to take risks, when not to take risks, when to trade an entry, when not to take an entry, and uh, in challenge phase, you must have a plan for challenge phase, for funded phase. Even if you are trading in live account, you need to have your own plan, on strategies with on plan, like when to trade, when not to trade, how much risks are you willing to trade, or how many trades are you willing to take in one day. So if you are failing to plan, you are planning to fail. Please don't forget this one. Okay, it's been going up. Nice one. I missed this trade, but it's okay because I want to take my trade from this level, as I told you 5 to 10 minutes before. I just want to take from this level, but this kind of movement, this kind of volatility in the market in 1 minute time frame, I'm not comfortable trading with this kind of price action. That's why I miss this trade. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. As a trader, you will lose someday, you will win someday, or maybe you can miss someday. That's called a trader. Are you agree with me, guys? Do you agree with me? Fed to inject 8.3 billion to the market in just 10 minutes. Okay, guys, that's it. And please follow your plan, and please have a plan, your own trading plan, and have a great day. And I can call it a day right now, and see you guys in my next live streaming. Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone. Have a great day.